What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about this message that I got when I started my Dash earlier. So I'm going to be doing some DoorDash deliveries. I'm in Plant City, Florida. Normally I deliver in like the Brandon, Tampa area, but Plant City, it's kind of hard for me to schedule over here, but it's a smaller zone, and the great thing about having a smaller zone is not many Dashers navigate over here because they're drawn more to the bigger zones, and I find that I get better orders and not as many no-tip orders over here, so I don't have to waste my time declining. But I want to talk about the 11% acceptance rate and the message they sent me. So what is this? A good order. Okay, $6.50, could go up. 1.1 miles at McDonald's. There you go. It is 10 items, so that might go up. Let's start our shift off with a McDonald's order. And I have some comments saying, since you said to like and subscribe, I'm not going to do that. And I have other comments saying, since you didn't say like and subscribe, I'm going to like and subscribe. So I'm not going to say it. Hi, DoorDash.
What's the last
F219.
219.
Yes. Alright, this is a hand it to me. It looks like a house. I want to show y'all. There's like, all the orders are X'd out, which is very weird. But it's 3 big bags. I do think that this will be more than the $6.50 I was offered. It is like a mile away. It's a hand it to me. So let's go drop it off.
They added the following instructions. Hand it to me.
Okay, so it brought me to a high school. Oh, they're coming out. Y'all, they're coming out. Awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Awesome. I didn't know where to go, so I was just about to walk up to that door anyways. Complete delivery. Let's see what's it gonna be. $8. So it was a $5.50 tip of $8. I knew it had to be more. Oh, I'm getting another McDonald's order. $2.75, 2 miles. I've got to decline that one. So my acceptance rate is now 10%. I don't pay much attention to my acceptance rate. It has been down to 0 multiple times. So I only take the orders that make sense to me, miles per pay, because I'm using my gas money to deliver them their food, and I need to make a profit at the end of the delivery. $2, I don't care how many miles. It could be handed to the customer inside of the restaurant that you're already at. Like $2, I can't take that. And with seeing, you know, like these new programs, these new pilot programs about get your acceptance rate to 50%, and you could reset your acceptance rate, and I'm guessing it would reset back at 100. And even if I did all that and took no tip orders to get my acceptance rate at 50% from 11, I would have to take a lot of orders, and basically a lot of orders that are not worth it, and I will not be profiting from it. And then once I do, either I'm going for Top Dasher, or I'm going for the pilot program, or to reset my acceptance rate. I'm back at McDonald's already, by the way. No matter what comes out of accepting all these orders, I'm basically going to be back down at 11% in no time, because that's just how DoorDash is. I'm not the kind of person that will take a whole bunch of no tip orders because they're dangling something in front of my face. I come out here, I do the orders that make sense to me, I make my money, and I go home. So that's just my opinion. You could think completely different. That is why we watch videos, to get other people's insights and their thoughts about it, and that's my thought about it. All right, we're getting a taco order. I like picking up at this place. It's only 2 items, it's only 2 miles, $5.50, so it will not go up from that $5.50. Only orders in my area that are $6.50, they have the potential to going up with a hidden tip, but $5.50 is not it, and I'm going to decline that and wait. I know it's only 2 miles, but that's just how I roll. This might even be the one order that I declined and they added another order to it. $10.50, 4.3 miles. They're both at the taco place. It says 4 items total. So this is, obviously it's worth it. I like to do $2 per mile. Oh, you're gonna pull, you could go. We were pulling out at the same exact time. Go ahead. So you might be asking the screen, why did I decline a 2 mile $5 order, but I accepted a $10 4 mile order? It's just that times 2. So at that point, you gotta look at the pickup. It is one restaurant and that I'm picking up these orders from, and it's not like a separate stop for me, extra time turning my car off. It's just one stop. So all right, I got the goods. So the first one is $5, which probably means the second one is the $5.50. All right, that one is delivered. I had to go inside of the building, but he said what door. And the next one, it says $5.50. Yep, and that one came out to the $5.50 also, so I earned $10.50. So that would put me at $18.50 for about 7 miles. I'm gonna go up here about a mile to the restaurant areas, and that'll put me at $18.50 for 7 miles. And by using the Solo app along with your gig apps, you can make a earnings guarantee amount. So when you sign up with Solo and link, what is this? So when you sign up with Solo and you link your gig account, they will then tell you the minimum earnings in your area for that account. So let's say with DoorDash, they will tell you that this is your minimum guaranteed in your area. So when you make anything under than that for an hour, they will pay you the difference. Now, I know it sounds too good to be true, and that is always in my comment section when I talk about Solo, but they do offer a subscription-based service where you could have more perks. They also track your miles for you. And by signing up with the link below, you'll automatically start your account with $10, and whatever you make on top of that, they do payouts every Tuesday. And you have to link your gig account and obviously PayPal or Venmo, whichever one that you want to get paid on. I feel like it's worth it to even give it a try, or if you just want to cash out the $10, you could do that too. So I'm going to keep delivering. I have 1 more hour in this dash, and then I'm gonna get ready for the dinner rush, because you know the between hours just are not as busy as I would like them to be, so I go home during those times. So I'll be back out for the dinner rush. Hopefully I can get some really good orders. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Drop some comments below. I love chatting with you guys. Maybe pick one of these videos to watch next, and I will see you guys later. Bye.